Trying to put the shorts on? Maybe you should sit down and do it. Yeah, we're gonna show Mimi. Can't find. Oh, there you go. There's your foot. Okay, now I gotta pull them up. Oh, nice. Pretty. Oh, perfect. Pretty outfit.
Mimi.
Yeah, Mimi will like it. Grayson, what's Pop's dog name?
Oh.
No, what's, remember Pop's dog I told you about? What's his name?
Ella.
Uh-oh. What's his name? Cooper. Look here and say Cooper.
Boopa.
Cooper. Where's Cooper live?
Pops.
He lives with Pops. And where's that? Look here. Where's Pops live?
Georgia.
Right. With who?
Ella.
Who else lives there?
Gaia.
Oh, you lost your shorts.
Piggy. Louie.
Okay. Look here and tell the camera bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses.
Ma.
Mwah.